Hey guys, Jared Wesley here of Live Traders, and back for another quick trade review. I apologize, I didn't have an opportunity to record the open, which I always like to do so you guys can see in real time what my actual fills are, but I did take a screenshot of my trade on BA today, guys. I made $617, guys, in about 10 minutes today on one trade. And what's important about that, guys, is I put that idea out there in the pre-market. Pre-market, guys, that's before the market ever opened. It's not just an idea. Anybody can throw out a symbol. Oh, buy Microsoft. So what? They can get lucky. I didn't just put BA out there, guys. I put BA out there with the entry price. I said, take BA under $388 today. I do this every single day. So if you're on StockTwits, you're gonna wanna check me out at Scoutmaster1, guys. But if you're coming into the chat room, you're gonna check it out every single day, guys. You can make a living in this business in 15, 20, 30 minutes a day. I call it an hour a day. Why? You want to do about 15 minutes of prep work, and then you want to do about 30 minutes of trading, and then maybe occasionally an extra 15 minutes for whatever. But today, guys, was $617 on one trade in about 10 minutes. So I want you to look on the screen here, guys. Take a look at BA, guys. I mentioned this in the pre-market, in the chat room, as well as on social media to buy or short. I should say short BA under $388. Well, we actually missed a really ideal entry on this at $389, okay? It was a perfect entry. I just barely missed it. So what we did was to compensate, because I don't want to chase a stock. So what we did was we got in at $388.50 with a half lot, a partial lot. And what we did to compensate for that is give it a very wide stop loss. So we got in at $388.50. We used a stop loss at $390.50. That's a $2 stop loss. That's a lot bigger than we would normally use for this particular stock or this particular trade. Normally on BA we use about $1, maybe $1.50 on the high side. So why is this important, how I'm explaining this? It's important because we knew we missed the ideal entry. We're giving up 50 cents. So we only took a partial position and we gave it more room, more protection. Why? Because we had the idea, the intention of adding back to this trade. And that's exactly what we did. So once it broke $388, we added back and got full. So initial shares, $388.50. Added shares, $388. So our cost average was roughly $388.25, $388.30, and we lowered the stop loss from $390.50 to $389.50. So now all of a sudden we started with a $2 stop loss, but now after the add, we only have a $1.20 stop loss. Do you see how we did that there? All with protection. So now we have a $1.20 stop loss. The stock dropped about $4. Now I only got just over $2 out of it, about $2.05, $2.10. I try to get 2 to 1 out of it, which would have been about $2.40. So I really didn't get my full target. The stock went there. I just got a little bit nervous, a little bit jittery. I should have made about 800 bucks off this thing. Man, it is what it is. I'm heading off, guys. I have meetings. I'm in Florida right now. You can see the background's a little different. I'm at my place. I'm at my penthouse here in Florida, guys. And I have to leave in about an hour to go up to New York for some business meetings, guys. My point is, why am I telling you that? I'm telling you that because this is what trading allows you and affords you to do. You see the laptop in the background, you see the monitor in the background, you don't even need the external monitor, you just need a laptop. If you have an internet connection and a laptop, you can trade from anywhere in the world that has an internet connection and you bring your laptop. Okay, guys? This business doesn't have to be so challenging. The problem is most traders make it too difficult because of what's between your ears. It's counterintuitive. You want to do things that you're not supposed to do. Trading is a very simple business. You just have to follow the rules. So stop breaking the rules of your plan. And for those of you that don't have a trading plan, you're not a trader, you're a gambler. So if you're listening to this and you're watching this on YouTube, okay, and you don't have a written trading plan, like a business plan, trading plan, like if you were to go to the bank and start a business, if you don't have one of those, you're not a trader, you're a gambler. You're what everybody in the world thinks of traders, right? Everybody thinks traders are gamblers. Well, that's you if you don't have a trading plan, all right? So I want you guys to think about this business for a second. You can go out and work for a boss. and he tells you or she tells you when you get to start, when you get to finish, when you get vacation or when you're not allowed to have vacation, okay? They have all the power. They have all the flexibility. They tell you what to do. As a trader, you're your own boss and you get to do it whenever you want, wherever you want, however you want. So, why am I telling you all this? Because guys, I get it. The mental aspect, the stress, the discipline is very difficult in business, all right, in the trading business. But would you rather go listen to a boss 40 hours, 50, 60 hours a week for the next 40 years? Or would you rather just man up or girl up or whatever you want to call it and figure out your emotional demons and become a great trader and go make $500, $1,000, $2,000 a day in this business, guys? I know the choice for me was simple, right? Because I struggled with those emotional demons when I started trading, all right? And I'm sure many of you do too. And we talk about that in professional trading strategies, how to deal with emotional demons and psychology. But it's not always easy. It takes time to overcome those demons. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Because guys, your boss is never gonna stop telling you what to do. He's never gonna stop telling you when to show up, when to leave, and when you get your 2 weeks vacation time. Screw that, okay? You get to make as much or as little as you want in this business, and you can make $100 a day, you can make $5,000, $10,000 a day. That's on you, but it takes that mental discipline. And you can see today, I broke my plan a little bit by not getting 800 bucks out of this trade, but I still made $617 in about 10 minutes, okay? Everybody else is just waking up to start their day and they're working for the man for what, 50K a year? Come on, guys, all right? So trading is a wonderful business. Don't let people out there tell you it's gambling, because it's not. The problem is, and the reason people think that, is most traders trade like gamblers. Okay, so fix the mental problems, fix the emotional demons, okay? Start with very, very, very small risk and slowly work your way up. You earn the right to raise your risk. You got all these penny stock traders out there, all these armchair warriors out there, all these charlatans out there, guys. I am telling it to you straight. It is a difficult business, but it is worth it. Okay, but you have to treat it like any other business, whether you're opening a construction company, a flower shop, it doesn't matter. Treat it like a real business. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick trade review on BA today. And like I said, I put it out there in the pre-market. No excuses, guys, no excuses. I got to run, I got a plane to catch. It's not going to leave without me, but I got a plane to catch, guys, and I got some other business to take care of. Multiple streams of income. Let trading be one of them. Jared Wesley, Live Traders. Have a great day, guys. To get more great educational content, subscribe to the Live Traders YouTube channel. This way you'll get email alerts every time I upload a new video.